Which solar lights are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Peezer Solar Security Lights. Let's kick things off with the Peezer Solar Security Lights, priced at just $20.97. These lights caught my attention with their motion sensor and 3 lighting modes. If you want reliable outdoor illumination, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 lighting modes mean you can switch from a constant light to a motion-activated option. This is perfect for those late-night garden strolls or when you want to save energy. Plus, these lights are built to withstand heavy rain and extreme heat, thanks to their all-weather, waterproof design. They charge during the day, providing hours of illumination at night, which is a real lifesaver if you're looking for energy-efficient solutions. Now, some people did complain about the brightness being lower than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly looking for ambient lighting rather than floodlights, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It still gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're someone looking to light up your garden or porch without high electricity bills. Skip this one if you need super bright lights for security purposes, but at this price, you'll find good value for money. Now, if the brightness issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a unique design.
Product number 2, Banana Mushroom Solar Lights. We have the Banana Mushroom Solar Lights, priced at $19.99. The unique mushroom shape caught my eye, but it's their efficiency that really makes them shine. If you want to blend a fun design and practical lighting, give these a serious look. Here's why you should consider these. Equipped with high conversion solar panels, they automatically charge during the day and provide 8 to 10 hours of warm white light at night. If you're looking to light up pathways or highlight your garden, these are fantastic. They're also weatherproof, meaning they'll last through rain or snow without any issues. However, some users mention that the lights are not very bright for larger areas. But honestly, if you're just looking to define a path or illuminate a small area, this isn't a problem. They look great and serve their purpose well. This is perfect for you if you want decorative lighting that's also functional. Skip this if you need super intense lights to illuminate a large yard. Overall, they're a solid investment for casual outdoor lighting. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more decorative approach. Product number 3, Hampavo Gen 2 Solar Lanterns. Let's talk about the Hampavo Gen 2 Solar Lanterns, priced at $49.99. These caught my eye with their ultra-real flame effect and dual charging options. If you want to add a bit of flair to your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Not only do these lanterns look stunning with their flickering flame, but they also offer flexibility with both USB and solar charging. This means you can charge them even on cloudy days, ensuring you always have light when you need it. They're waterproof too, making them perfect for patios or gardens. Now, some reviews pointed out that they might be a bit too pricey compared to others. Here's the thing though, the decorative element and versatility really set these apart. If you're after something that looks good and functions well, you might find this worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for stylish lighting for events or your patio. Skip this if you want basic lighting without the frills. For the quality and design, they offer good value, especially for special occasions. Now, if decorative features aren't your thing, the next product might just suit your needs better. Product number 4, Bright Solar Flag Pole Light. The Solar Flag Pole Light, priced at $15.99. If you're a flag enthusiast wanting to showcase your pride at night, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This light features bright white 6000K illumination, giving your flag the attention it deserves. Plus, it's designed to fit on 5 to 6 foot flagpoles, making it really convenient. And it's solar powered, so you don't have to deal with messy wires or high electricity costs. However, some users mentioned it sometimes struggles with very low light conditions. But look, for the price and the specific use case, it still performs well enough to light up your flag without much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a simple and effective way to illuminate your flag at night. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end solution, but for its purpose, it's definitely a good value. All right, that was a straightforward option, but if you want something with a more substantial presence, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 5, 63-inch solar lamppost light. We have the 63-inch solar lamppost light, a 2-pack priced at $42.99. This caught my eye with its elegant design and height. If you want to add a classic touch to your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you.
Standing tall at 63 inches, these lamps can illuminate larger areas, making your driveway or backyard feel welcoming. They come with replaceable bulbs, so you won't have to replace the whole unit when the bulb burns out. Plus, they're waterproof, meaning they'll handle any weather with ease. However, I did see some reviews mentioning the installation process can be a bit tricky. But here's the thing, once you get them set up, they really elevate the look of your outdoor area. It's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your outdoor decor with style. Skip this if you're looking for something compact or easy to install. For the price, you get a great aesthetic and functionality. Now, to wrap it all up, we've seen a variety of solar lights today, from motion sensor models to decorative lanterns. Each one has its own strengths depending on what you're looking for.
So, to recap, we have the Pacer solar security lights for practical motion detection, the Benani mushroom lights for stylish pathways, the Hampavo lanterns for decorative flair, the solar flagpole light for flag enthusiasts, and the elegant solar lamppost lights to enhance your outdoor decor. Each product offers something unique, making it easier for you to choose the right one for your needs. Thanks for watching.